How you doing, guys? Stevie here. Tonight I'm going to be tying one of my favourite flies for fishing deep in the hot weather. The rainbow trout. Not so much brown trout, but certainly the lake them in Teeth and Rutland and places like that. My favourite booby is probably a black booby for that, just jet black. So I'm going to tie the one I use, okay? So in the vise I've got the Fario barbless wet fly hook, size 10, that's a black nickel one. The thread I'm using is UTC in black, number 70. So we'll get started. We'll run a bit of thread down the hook. This is a simple fly to tie. I've had loads of fishing this when it's been in the hot weather. Just fishing the dive 7, dive 5, whatever. So just take that down to where the barb would normally be on the hook. And for the tail, as it's a black booby, I'm going to be black marabou. So just take a pinch, just get a wee moisten and cut off the end. Let's just take the end bit off and pull the fluff out and just tie that in. And usually I'm fishing international size flies, so I'll give this a pinch. So what I do is grab it with a forefinger and thumb and pull off with the other forefinger and thumb. That should be fine there. And for the body I've got this 4mm it's dragonfly fritz. This is black and pearl. So just expose a coat. Tie that in, few wraps at the back, and just come up the body and just get yourself room. So nice tight turns, same as if you're doing a hackle, just pull it back so the body goes on nicely. When the water's warm I seem to do well with the black flies, especially at depth. Just tie that off there. And cut off the waist. Just tidy up. And put the wing on, same again, just a black marabou. So just take a bigger pinch, maybe just over an inch. Same again, just roll it about in your fingers, cut off the end and just pull off the fluff and just tie that straight in at that. There we go, and again just size it up with the tail, forefinger and thumb and pinch. And for the eyes I've got these 5mm booby tubes, so just half one. What I do is use the old scissors for this. Catch it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 3 at the front, and 1, 2, 3, and whip finish. Cut off the waist. So that's the fly done. So just need to trim the booby. So like I've done in the past videos, I need to take this out of the vise just to give it a trim. Just get them roughly the same size, the best you can. So different ways of doing the booby eyes. I just bang them on, that's it. Give them a trim. And that one is a wee bit bigger. So that's it there. Stick it back in the vise to varnish it. So just turn the vise upside down for this. And just dab it right in. So that's it guys, that's the black booby. That's the one I use for when the water's really warm. It's really good at liking in teeth. So I want to rattle up for the box anyway. I know it's a simple pattern to tie. You've got to tie the rubbish stuff as well at times. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.